Hello everyone. This question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of Congruence of Triangles. This is first question of its exercise 7.1. So the question says that complete the following statements. Part A is two line segments are congruent if. So congruent हमारे लाइन सेगमेंट कम होंगे जो साइज और शेप में एग्जैक्टली सेम हो. तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा इफ दे हैव. यहाँ पर आ जाएगा they have same length. And part B is among two congruent angles, one has a measure of 70 degree, the measure of the other angle is, so first का 70 डिग्री है मेजरमेंट, सो नेक्स्ट एंगल भी जो अदर एंगल है वो भी हमारा सेम ही होगा एग्जैक्टली, सो ये भी होगा 70 डिग्री. And part C is when we write angle A is equal to angle B, we actually means M angle A is equal to M angle B. Thank you.